my name is Victor, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple DC motor. So the items we need to make this thing are safety pins, a container with a plastic container without a cap on it, some copper wire, magnets, the bigger the better. Just make sure they fit around an area, like make sure about the size of it, some scissors, a box cutter, alligator clips, a battery holder, some batteries, some scotch tape, a glue gun, and some glue sticks. So the first thing you need to do is you should first get your batteries, and as I already did before, slide them into the battery holder. Then after that, connect them to your alligator clips. It doesn't really matter what color it is for your alligator clips, like what color hooks what other color. But I just got 2 white alligator clips, you can see here. Then after that, you can start by gluing this together with your hot glue gun. The closer, actually, the better. So just make sure it's about like 1.5 inches between each other, or even closer. As I said before, the closer the better. Yep. I'll just leave it here. I have to hold it for a while, and then after that, hold it in place. Okay, so then after that, you have to get your wire, the copper wire that's insulated, and then get your battery. Get a battery, like just any random battery. I'll just get it from here, and then wrap it around here. Get about an inch between it, inch or 2. So then just wrap it around here to form a coil, basically in the center, and lengths of wire outside. So wrap it around about 10 to 15 times. Okay, and then there it goes. Okay, so then try to make both of the sides even as possible though. Yep, so that's good, and second time. Yep, okay, so that's done. So then still wait for it to dry. And then after, you can get your magnets to get. Yep. My magnet goes here. And then okay, so then put them here together, or like connect the wires together to this. And then, so this is pretty much it. And while we're waiting for this remainder piece to dry, this is my original thing that I made in the beginning, this thing, as you can see here. So I built about the exact same thing as the other one I just showed you, as you can see here, but I also got a neodymium magnet here, which is stronger, so probably a bit stronger than that. So you just have to connect them with the alligator clips, because these pieces of glue have dried a long time ago already. Anyways, it's really firm and strong. Just connect them together. And then this together. And then yeah, it'll start moving a bit. Yeah, okay, so how it works. So the pins get electricity from the batteries because they're metal. As you can see, they conduct electricity, and then the electricity then flows through and gets into the coil part of it because it's like electric. And you have to also remember to like shave the outside of these parts, or like shave the not the parts that are not the coils on this copper wiring, so that it can like conduct electricity, because it's already like the copper wire is already insulated. And then after that it flows through the coil, and then after that, and because the loop is in a magnetic field, the moving charges get forces exerted on them, and the forces work together to turn the coil. And this was discovered, and the DC motor was discovered by Michael Faraday at the year 1851. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and bye.